Hey guys, quick tutorial on how to use POSTCRON to schedule your posts for your social media. So I have my page and my group both set up in here, so we'll start with those. You see I already have a pending post. It's going to post at 11:55. Those show up down here. You can cancel them. You can change the, you can republish it after it's already been published. You can change your setup, whatever you want to do. Okay, so that's my past one. I'll be on a past post. Okay, here's how you do it. So say I want to do a picture. I'll do this silliness right here. Too silly for Tuesday. Right. You can write whatever you want to write. I already have writing here on my picture, so I'm not going to add any text to it. You can add your watermark if you'd like a watermark, like if you are doing this for business purposes and you want it to not have the option for other people to use it. You want to have whatever your watermark may be, you can just add it right there. Bloop, 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 bloop. So let's see. You can also add your emojis if you like. I'm going to go ahead and click schedule the post. My other one is scheduled for 11:55. I remember from reading it down there, so let's go ahead and do this one at 12:55. Coming up, it tells you what your current time is right here. Click done, and it moved it down here. So see, I've got one at 11:55, 5 minutes later at 12. Those are my two from previous. Then my next ones will be at 12:55 and 1. So because I'm sharing the two different things, and I chose up here 5 minutes between each post, it waits the 5 minutes between each post to post. You can change that. Change that to whatever you want here. Change it to a minute, whatever. I like to keep the 5 minutes. It looks legit, like I'm actually posting it. So there you go. So there's 4 posts lined up for 2 separate pages. Well, a page and a group. That's how you do that. If I wanted to do my Twitter, I would just click it there. And as you're posting, click whichever ones you want. My Pinterest up there too. So it'll show up here which ones it's going to. Okay. There you go. There's your tutorial. I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you. Bye.